guys, I'm IQOO, and today we're gonna be doing a magic review. So basically, we're gonna be doing a phone which is IQOO 8 Pro, and let's head to that in a detailed way. So what is the IQOO 8 fashion? Because it is having a great and a fantabulous fashion, so you have never thought about. Actually, its price, or let's say its expected price, is 57,290 rupees, and also it is expected to launch on 15th September, basically 4 days after. But the price and the release date we have told you cannot be guaranteed, which is 100%. We cannot guarantee that it's 100%, so it may be different from the actual product. Now let's head to more about it. So actually, we're going to be knowing about its AMOLED display, design, security, performance, storage, camera, and we're going to be knowing about its battery, fast charging, connectivity, and more. Let's head to that right now. So basically, IQOO 8 Pro features a 6.78 AMOLED display that offers a quad HD plus resolution and a 1400 into 3200 pixels. The screen produces, or let's say it produces, pixel density of 580 ppi, or known as pixels per inch. And it also has a punch hole layout on the top left. The display offers a large viewing area that gives you screen to body ratio of 86%. The power button and the volume rocker are right on the right side of the phone. For security purposes, the phone has on-screen fingerprint sensor built under the display and the face unlock that works through the selfie camera. Now let's get to know about its performance. Storage, triple camera. Listen to that.
The latest IQOO's high-end phones comes powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus octa-core chipset along with the 8 GB of RAM. The device offers the 256 GB of onboard storage but lacks a memory card slot. The phone runs on Fun Touch OS built over the Android 11 operating system out of the box, and the IQOO 8 Pro gets a triple rear cameras for imaging purpose that includes a 50 megapixel primary sensor, 48 megapixel of ultra wide angle sensor, and a 16 megapixel sensor. And the phone on the front has 16 megapixel of front cameras that lets you click selfies, shoot videos, and take video calls. And now let's head to the battery, fast charging, and the connectivity.
So when we go for the battery, fast charging and connectivity, we get to know that this is having a 4500 mAh battery that supports a 65 watts fast charging and also a speed via USB Type-C port. And the connectivity features like Wi-Fi version 5.2 Bluetooth, and which is 5G basically, 4G, LTE, USB, and OTG and GPS with GLONASS. And that's all. But before I end the video, we also want to say something in a very detailed way. So number of chipsets in this, the chipset is this is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778, which was already mentioned earlier. The number of cores is 8, which is an octa-core, also mentioned earlier. The CPU is 2.4 GHz single core Cairo 670 plus 2.2 GHz tri-core Cairo 670 plus 91.9 GHz quad camera Cairo 670. Its architecture is a 64-bit and its graphics is Adreno 642. And then its operating system is an Android 11. And when we go for more about its connectivity, we get to know that this is having a very good connectivity because it's having a dual SIM. SIM 1 is nano SIM, there's no 2 SIMs. And also its Bluetooth is version 5.2 as mentioned earlier, with the Wi-Fi B by G by N, and its network is by 5G supported by this device, and not network is not rolled out in India. 4G available in India's bands, and 3G and 2G is available. And it is having a LTE or Volt LTE as I mentioned earlier, and this also has mobile hotspot. And when we go for the sensors on the phone, it has fingerprint sensor which is on screen, and then it is having other sensors like loud light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope. And that's all.
If you want more tech videos like this, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with friends, relatives, family members who you know that would be great support for us to make more videos. And that's all. My name is John.
My name is Jonas.
We are Tech One, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.
And goodbye.